All right, just like the Roxy switch, we're going to start off with the blind test. A, B, real fast. You guys try to guess which one is which. See if you can tell the difference. All right, here they come. Once again, just like last time, rewind, go back, hit it again. It's super fast. It's super hard to tell which one is which. A, B. All right, you're back. Put your comments in the comments. Which one's which? Now, again, this is an M3 video, so one of them is M3, the other one is a mystery switch. All right? Now, how close are these two switches? I'll tell you right now, one of them is HMX. The other one is Keygeek. The Keygeek switch is now in HMX ranges. It is clacking just as strong. Now, here's another important note. One switch testing, okay? Thank you to everybody that answered the poll this morning regarding the one switch actuation, whether it's worth anything. My instinct has always been one switch actuation is useless. However, some 20 or 25% of you do want to hear it. So it's not a non-zero number. Some of you do think it's important. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I want to show you this. We got a KD400, a Wave, and an M3. Okay, here comes the KD400, the Wave, the M3. KD400, Wave, M3. So here's the problem, okay? When I got the M3s, when I got my entire batch, I took one of each to my ear while I was at work, and I put it to my ear and I listened. And my first instinct right away with this M3 was like, I can't hear anything. It's got the softest bottom out ever. It's so mute. This is deep. I don't want this switch. I don't want to cover this switch. Then Grok put out his video. It's deep AF on his video. And then even in the Discord, I commented, this switch is deep AF. He goes, yeah, it's really deep. Now, here's the problem. That one switch actuation is useless. You guys hear the back-to-back. This switch is hella clacky. It sits neck and neck with HMX, yo. So that's enough for me to just like forget it. The feedback was great. Thank you very much. One switch actuation is useless. You need to put it in the board, build it, do a proper back-to-back, then you'll know what it sounds like. All right, now that we got that out of the way, we're going to do the normal sound test. Keygeek M3 first, full sound test with mods, and then a back-to-back with the Wave. Once again, the Wave is one of the strongest switches I have in my collection right now. It's going to be a really tough one to beat in the Elite 8 in the HMX Avengers tournament, blind tournament we're doing. So we're getting good practice here on the tournament. How good is this switch? Okay, just goes to show you need to do a proper back-to-back to actually hear what a switch sounds like. You can't run a CU with long feet. It's going to make switch deep. The CU is not a good platform for sound tests. It's going to deepen everything it touches. If you like the real talk, the heavy analysis, the technical analysis, hit the like button. If you really enjoy that stuff, find it very informative, hit the super thanks. Big shout out again to Unikeys. DY snuck these M3s into my pack. I did not ask for them. He knew they were clacky. Damn, they are clacky as hell. Okay, this is the first time I've taken a Keygeek and I've actually noticed it is in HMX ranges. Okay, this can go back to back against the top HMX currently. It could technically go into the tournament, but I've already got it mapped out. Okay, there's already 8 elite switches for the Elite 8. Maybe we'll do a Keygeek version if the HMX version does well. I'm just as surprised as you are. This M3 is a clacker. It is in HMX ranges. It can compete with an HMX, the Electric Wave, one of the best ones out in this thing, probably one of the favorites to beat the contest, but it will be completely blind, so who knows. Thank you everyone that answered my poll in terms of burnout, in terms of what you guys want to see. Do you want to play in the tournament? Do you want me to actually complete these reviews? Over 115 of you voted. That means over 78 of you said, take a break, bro. You were grinding too hard. I super, super appreciate that. Okay. It means a lot to me. It means we're building a community. It means people care. Sound test second, people first. Okay. So I did take a few days off. The M3 video is here. I still have ding-dings to go, and I'm working behind the scenes on the HMX Avengers Elite 8 tournament. Okay, there's a lot of assets that I've been building. You guys may have seen the teasers of the characters that I'm going to be using instead of, saying HMX1, HMX2, sample 1, sample 2, A, B, C, D, E. We're going to use the actual fun characters to run the tournament. All right, keep an eye out for that. Those will tease for, I've got 8 characters, 1 per day, so that buys me a week to get all this ready to go and to shoot all the video. Peace out. I love you all.